look at this following problem, all right? So I'm going to give you now x squared plus 8x, okay, plus 15,
This is on the next page, okay.
okay? But don't look at it just yet, all right?
No.
Okay, so ladies, now, we remember the words, and it is important to embed these words in your mind, all right? Okay, we are looking for factors of plus 15, multiplying factors of plus 15 that add up to plus 8. And what are those?
3 and 5.
3 and 5.
How do we, okay,
So wait a second. So I then write down x plus 3 and x plus 5.
This makes
Wait.
so much sense.
that's
okay.
really easy.
All right. Now, yes, it is easy. Okay? And it's because of those words that you must make as part of your soul. All right. Now, guys, now
Yeah, what were the
we've written down what we think is a factorization. You must check everything you do in factoring. You must check every line as you go. Absolute must. And that's why I said in the homework, you must check this. So how am I going to check this?
FOIL.
FOIL. All right? So give me the first term,
X squared.
X squared.
x squared. Give me the outer,
5x.
plus 5x. Give me the inner.
Plus 3x.
Together,
Plus 8x.
plus 8x. Check. Give me the last,
Plus 15.
plus 15.
What are the words?
Check.
Yay!
They're right on the page there. Okay, you shouldn't be writing them anywhere. They're right in the right here. Seek multiplying factors. Okay, it's on both pages.
And I have one question.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, now, ladies. So this is the way we approach this. Okay, so I'm going to go back now to just given this problem here. All right, and the problem says to factor. All right. So we know that if it can factor, that it will factor into two binomials. Okay? So I very confidently
And
boldly make two sets of parentheses.
Yes, let's.
Okay? And guys, I know that I'm going to have to put variables in here, and I know that in the foiling process, I'm going to have, a variable times a variable. So, guys, I look at my first term, and I've got an x squared. So, it's got to be an x times an x that will give me the x squared, right? So I immediately put down the x and the x. And now, ladies, you state this set of words, okay? So I seek multiplying factors, so repeat with me, of the constant term of plus 15 that add up to
A.
plus 8, the middle term, right? All right, and what are they? What are they again?
5 and 3.
5 and 3, so I'm going to put a plus 3 and a plus 5. All right, now ladies, so those, okay, so since I was looking for factors of plus 15 that added to plus 8, well, I know that if I've got a plus 15 here, that the signs have to be, of the two factors, have to either be both plus, so a plus times a plus is a plus, okay? And in this case, it is a plus, the central term is a plus, so that I'm going to use those two plus factors, right? Good. So you must state then that the factors that you're going to use are plus 3 and plus 5, and enter them in. All right. Okay.
Wait,
So wait a second, ladies. So I'm now giving you this other
Oh my
trinomial,
gosh.
x squared minus 8x plus 15. Okay? Does it still follow the pattern of this section?
Yes.
Coefficient of the quadratic term is 1. okay, is the constant term positive?
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
so the pattern has nothing to do with the middle term.
It's just
All right?
minus
All right, so now, ladies, do you think the words that I developed for positive stuff works for negative stuff?
Yes.
Yes. So guys, wait. We seek multiplying factors of plus 15 that add up to negative 8.
Negative 5.
Negative five.
Negative 3.
Okay, so it's going to be x minus 3 and x minus 5. And we check. Okay, first is x squared. Okay, outer is minus 5x, inner is minus 3x, together minus 8x, and the last, negative 3 times negative 5 is plus 15. Checks. All right, so guys, so because this number, eyes up here, because this constant term is plus 15, so we have to find multiplying factors. Well, if the multiplying factors can be a plus and a plus, because a plus times a plus gives you a positive, okay? Or the two factors can be a negative times a negative, because a negative times a negative gives you the plus that you needed for that last term. Okay, so guys, now, if your central term is positive, then what are going to, and we're talking about here having a positive constant. So if your middle term has a positive number, what are going to be the signs in front of the two factors here?
Positive.
No, if it's positive, okay, then each of these are positive. Okay, if the middle term is negative, then each of the factors is negative.
Negative.
Oh, I get it.
All right, excellent. Okay.